Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I am going to explain question number 3, paper 21, October, November 2023. This is the question. The diagram represents an ADTs, that is abstract data type, and here is top of the stack that point out to the last entered value, that is D1 in this example, and bottom of stack that hold or keep the first item into the stack, in this case D2. The stack is implemented using 2D array, 2 variable and 1D array of 8 elements as shown. The variables are used to reference individual elements of the array in such a way that the array is filled from the lowest index elements towards the highest. All the elements of the array are available for the stack. And a 1D array of 8 elements as shown. Complete the diagram to represent the state of the stack as shown above. Okay. First of all, top of the stack right now an empty variable, bottom of the stack also empty value, they don't have value now. Okay, at the first time, suppose if I will start array elements with 1, then D1, then D1 I am going to enter D1 value, and top of the stack will point to index number 1 and bottom of the stack will be on 1. After this, top of the stack will point out 2 and the value in index number 2 is D5. Top of the stack is 3 that keep the value 3 and value in the stack will be D4. Next, top of the stack will keep the index number 4 and value in the stack will be D3. Top of the stack will contain the index number 5, will keep the index value 5 and the value in the stack will be D1. So on a function push will add a value onto the stack by manipulating the array and variables in part A. Before adding a value onto the stack, the algorithm will check the space is available. If the value is added to the stack, the function will return true, otherwise it will return false. The algorithm expressed in 5 steps. Complete the 5 steps. Okay. Step number 1 is if top of stack equal to 8, then it return false. Otherwise, it will add 1, increment by 1 in top of the stack, and use top of the stack as an index to the array. 0, 1, 2, 3, so on it will move on. Set the element at the index to the value being added and then return true. Code, I have given a code. What I have given a code? I have defined a function. How many values I have passing into this argument? I have passed 4 values as a parameter. Number 1 is stack, number 2 is value, number 3 is capacity, number 4 is the index. And I am checking the length of the stack equal to capacity. If capacity and stack will be equal, then it will give me message stack is full. Cannot push more elements. Return false. In this case, it will return false. Else, if the stack length is not reaching to the capacity, then it will increment in the index, that is index equal to index plus 1, and it will return the true. For example, in this case, stack is empty. I have an empty stack and index will point out 0. Here I am showing index index is pointing to 0, because in Python the array index always start with 0. That's why I have written with 0. First of all, it will push 31. How many parameters I am passing? I am passing 4 parameters. First one is stack, second one is the value, third one is the capacity, and fourth one is the index. Stack, this is our data storage, that is stack, and 31 is the value, 8 is the capacity of this stack, and index is the pointing value, and by inserting value where it will insert the value, that is called index. Next, index will reaching to number 1 and it will insert 52. Next, index will point out to value 2, index number 2, and it will keep the value 38. And next value is Index value is 3, and I'm going to edit the value 45. Next one is index number 4 and value is 15. Index number 5, a value is 66. Index number 6, value is 27. Index number 7, value is 28. And then if I will try to add another value, then it will shows me message stack is full. Okay, now I want to show the code, how this code is working. When I want to run the program, it will display this value, first of all true, 31, 31, 52, 31, 52, 38. So on, it will complete this 8 value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and the 8. Stack is full, cannot push more elements. Okay, this one is the output.